All right, you want to share your screen?
No, it's better you show me what you're talking about, right? I mean, I don't want to go back
Oh,
and forth with me doing a walkthrough. Walk me through what you did. I want you to understand about it.
oh, okay, because my computer moves slow, so that's why, Okay,
Same shit here. Yeah, computers are ridiculous.
give me a second. I gotta get mine. Okay, where we at? Where's my Salesforce? That's not it. That's not it. Second. Okay, here we go. What's going on here? Oh, this is the sandbar. Hold on for a second. My apologies. Okay, now I'll share my screen. Oh, you see my screen, right? Hello?
Yeah, it's there. It's coming. It's coming.
Oh,
It's
okay.
there. It's there. It's there.
Okay.
It's there.
So basically, what was the assignment one more time so I remember?
Create a list of contacts within the screen flow.
Using a screen flow, your
Yeah.
data table.
Yes.
Okay. Come on. Move out of the way. Oh, I'm in flows. Okay. Okay. So we're going to go with screen. Okay. So what we were trying to do was create the screen first. That's where we made the mistake in our last session. But what we had to do was what we should have did was use get records because we had to first get the contacts
Right.
in order to then put it into the data table. So let's put get records. So we're going to say what? Get contact records, right?
Yep.
Okay.
It's good. Simply enough.
Okay. What object?
Contact action.
Mm-hmm. This is interesting. Also get related records. Yeah, it's
No,
interesting.
that's a new
Yeah, I know that it's a
notation.
beta, right?
They just brought that in for the summer.
Okay, so what fields do we want to get?
First name, last name, right?
first name. We're going to say contains. Okay. I'm thinking either. Let me see what running user does here.
It wouldn't have anything to do with running, I'm sure.
No, sure. You're right.
What are you filling in now? What is that?
Well, no, this is running user. There is first name.
Right.
Then we'll put last name.
It wouldn't be the running user first name. Do you know what the running user stands for? The
What?
running user is me and you.
You know what? You're right. My apologies. So then, give me a second.
And it'll be contacts from
Get
contact
record.
records.
Yes, that's where I screwed up. My apologies. Then go put first name. My apologies. I don't know why I was thinking running user. You're right. My apologies. Then last name. Oh, Jermaine, you're too much. Contained. Then we'll get contact from Get, and then we're gonna say last name.
Is that contains or equals? It shouldn't be contain either. I think it has to be equal.
No, there's a reason why I use contain.
Okay.
Because oh no, if we're gonna just get the record right, we're not.
I know I'm saying contain. You're not putting
Well,
in
no,
any
because
kind
you know
of.
why? Just type one letter.
That
Everybody.
still is not relevant. You're not. We're not doing that right now. You can't
Okay,
use
fair
contain.
enough. Okay, equals. That's fine.
Whoever the first name is, get the record from the contact first name or last name.
Okay,
Whatever that
fair
is.
enough.
That's all we want all the content.
Then we'll put what phone number? I mean mobile. Or
Just use the first name and last name, right? Don't let's get crazy with it because we're just
okay,
trying to create a list of contacts. So we kind of just want to see how that works. So the best way is the simplest way, right?
fair enough. Okay, sorted. Let's do descending by last name. All records. We're going to automatically store all fields. Okay. Then we use a screen. Now we're going to say list of contacts. Then we're going to say data table. So we're going to say data table. List. And then it's say now the resource, screen, huh?
I just said hello to Happy.
Oh, Happy's on there.
Yes.
Hey.
Hey. Okay, so where should we get our source from?
You're supposed to get it from the get record, no? Contact from get record. Look, contacts from get
From
record.
get record.
Exactly.
Okay. Let's do a social search bar too.
Oh,
Good job.
okay.
We'll say single,
No, it should be multiple, no? Or row
multiple.
selection. No, go ahead. Single if you want. I guess single, single.
Single is fine. Usually I use single, but you could do multiple too.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do first name. Done. Then we're gonna add a column. Excuse me. Last name. Done. So we're gonna hit done. This-
These are all the display field you're adding, right?
Hmm?
It's the display field you're adding, right?
Yes. Okay, we got an error. Let's see, what's the error?
I think you have to
Oh,
create a
oh,
variable.
wait a minute. This is wrong. Sorry. Go ahead. Say it again.
Use the merge field. Don't you have to create a variable under that? Go back again. Click on the same. What was the value should be? Get contact record person.
Let me
Huh.
redo this. Give me a second.
Don't we need a collection variable or something like that, or something to collect? Like, how does that work?
Hold on. Wait a minute. I just
Click
saw.
on list of contacts. See the one above that where you're hovering over the global. Yeah, what's in there? What's in the list of contacts? What's in that? What's in that? Click on the arrow again. There's not. There's nothing there.
No.
List of contacts. This is what you get when you click on list of contacts.
Yeah.
Really?
Hold on. Let me see something. You know what? Let me just redo this. Hold on. Hmm?
First, select to the row. Oh,
Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Chick-fil-A. No, that's for the electric bill. You said. Yeah. You said, okay. Oh, okay. Sorry. Hmm. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. Me. Okay. First name. It's not running first name. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We had the contacts. Let's say first name equals.
go to your list of contacts. It's gotta be from your list of contacts.
Yeah, but that's from the screen full, though.
That's where you got. That's what. Okay, where's it from the get record? We need it from the get record, no?
Yeah,
Because it's got to bring it from the get record. So,
exactly.
and there's nothing else there.
No.
Right, clear that out then.
So what I'm gonna have, we're gonna have to do is create a new resource.
Okay.
So we're gonna have to do a variable. So we're gonna say, um, list of accounts or account. Let me see. Wait a minute. A variable we're gonna say account first name. Come on, what's going on here? Okay, this could be a text. Okay, so then what I'm gonna have to do is go here.
Are you
Hold
using
on.
account first name Germanic? We're looking at contacts.
Because notice, okay, truthfully, because I saw a video where someone did it this way and it worked using off the data tape. Hold on. Give me a second. I'm gonna show you the video I'm talking about.
No, no, no. Go ahead. Do your thing. I mean, it's not. You can send it on later.
Huh?
You can send it on later. You don't want to interrupt what you're doing. Do your thing. So you can send it later, kind of thing.
Hold on, but I gotta know if I'm doing. Wait a minute. I know I'm doing it right, but I gotta remember what account ID he used. Let me see the account ID.
And this is a variable. You can't use any particular account ID there
Hold on,
because
let me
it's
show
no
you the
longer.
video that I saw, and then maybe. Let me show you the video I saw. It's a short. It's not a. Hold on. Sorry. Um. Okay. Let me see. This is the one. I'm trying to figure out. This one I think we could use here. Let's use this one.
Jermaine,
Yeah,
can you do me a favor?
sure,
You can go back to your get record element for a second.
sure.
My Zoom only lasts 40 minutes, so just want to try to see what we can do.
This is the get record.
Where's the get record?
Oh, give me a second.
Sure.
You see it
Yeah.
now?
Can you scroll down all the way down? This is your get record element.
Yes.
Scroll down. Okay. So you should have a variable here because you already selected all records, right? Doesn't it
Oh,
automatically creates
then
a
what I should
variable in
then do
there?
it this way then.
What do you mean you shouldn't do it this
Hold
way?
on, give me a second. Get all contact records. Sorry. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, exactly. That's what you want.
Okay. All
And then
right. So
store
then
all and then all records.
then save. I think that was what we needed to do. Okay, so let's debug.
You didn't even do anything in your screen yet.
I thought I did.
No, we just did this. Was that the screen or the get record you were working on just then? I thought that was
Get
the get.
record
So then what did you do in the screen?
screen. Give me a second.
Screen is set up already?
Then give me a second. Contact from Get Records.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Configure rows, single. Configure columns, first name, last name.
All right. Go ahead and do.
Now we go to debug. So let's run. There it goes.
List of contacts. Okay. Well, that's it.
Yep.
We did it. Pretty simple, pretty quick.
That was pretty simple, actually. We did
You
it
were
more
going through a
complicated than it
video.
needed to.
Now you were the one going on an account, and I'm like, who didn't show us anything to do with an account ID? So what are we doing? Taking ourselves down a rabbit hole type thing.
All right, okay. It's
I
your
don't do
fault.
stuff like that. Yes, of course. All right, so we were able to build it. Happy,
Yeah.
did you have any questions around that, or did you understand what just happened there?
Well, honestly, I forgot the homework. I was waiting for the video and stuff.
Oh, Jermaine, can you scrap
Well,
it and
I
redo it again?
remember.
What
Go ahead,
happened?
Happy. Sorry, Happy, what were you saying?
Oh, I remember the homework we were supposed to create a data table.
Right, getting
Uh
contact record.
We're supposed to create a list of
oh
contacts using a data table.
okay.
But you had to first get the contact records to do that. We didn't do that first. That's why the
Yeah.
data table didn't work. And here we just got the contacts. We left the condition as none. Just get all contact records. Then we did it by descending last name. We got all records. This is very important. And automatically store all fields. So once we did that, then we went ahead and got the screen. Then we got the data table. Data table list of contacts, list of contacts. Use label of the as the table title. And then
Oh, and this The source comes from the Get record, right?
Yes.
Okay, got
Contacts
it.
from Get Record.
Ah, okay, I see.
And then we just put for the columns first name, last name, you know.
Yeah, I got it. No.
Yeah, so that was basically what Lou wanted us to do
Yeah.
in the last session.
You can show him this now and say, okay, what's our next step? Because this is basically the gist of what he wanted.
Right.
Yeah.
How do you create a list of contacts using data
Yeah.
table? And we were having a hard time because we were building it from the screen initially.
From the screen initially, you can't do it that way. You have to use either Get Records, create records, update records. You have to use one of those record elements before you use the data table. And I forgot that. I should have known that. That should have been. So that's on me.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah. Oh, so that's it. Pretty
Yeah,
much.
that's basically it. Any questions, Happy?
No,
I'll send you guys the video.
everything. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Jermaine.
No
Yeah.
problem. All right there.
Okay,
Awesome.
guys.
Talk to you soon.
Yeah. Good
Okay.
night.
Okay, good night.
Bye.
Bye.